Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. Just got back from the beach, spent a little time with a couple of my young adult kids and my wife. I have a total of 4 kids, young adult kids. The other 2 had to work, so it's not like when they were all little and we were always all together. Times are changing. Yeah, anyway, I wish they all could have been there. Just celebrated my birthday, and one of the gifts that I got, well, you can see behind me, that light and that light. They both came together in a nice packaging from a company called Unicupt, UNICUCP. Purchased over at Amazon. Now, I didn't purchase it. This was one of the gifts on my lists. I don't like making lists, but the family was bugging me to do so, so I did, and this was one of the gifts. And it comes with these blue plastic strips, yellow and red strips that you can add to the lights. What I'll do is I'll edit in the information. You can look at what the tripod 63-inch to 62.99, but 63, and how the lights attach to the top, and you'll see the strips there. Comes with wall charger. Cost let's see, what was the $60. So thanks to my family, I was able to get these lights and use them when I'm shooting a video like this. So you let me know what these lights look like in this video. I am using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I am in portrait video mode at 1080p 60 and with the lights, and you can see the Christmas lights up top of my garage here. This is my YouTube studios out in my garage. This is my man cave. And the Christmas lights and a couple other little bulbs there that I can actually change color to. So if I go this route, you can see that I can change those to red, green, pink. I just changed this one again, so let me change that back. Okay. Anyway, I'll just leave it like that for right now. But yeah, I mean, I got a lot of lights. It really gives this little makeshift studio a little extra some. Again, if this is something you're interested in, and maybe you have a channel, maybe you're thinking of starting a channel, you don't want to spend a lot of money. $60 is a good deal for these type of lights. And again, you can change the color scheme if you want to do that. That's really cool. Anyway, I wanted to share this gift that I got with all of you. I am excited of the recent news, everything about the Google Pixel 9 smartphone series. We now know everything as far as the information. There was the rumors, whether it was video leaks, pic leaks, information on the web as far as what we were going to get. Well, all that is set in stone now. I put my orders in. I did not receive anything from hashtag Team Pixel, which is fine and dandy. Look, going forward, hopefully I'm still on the list, and at some point I'll receive something. If not, I'm cool with that. I mentioned this last year when I didn't receive anything. Having the opportunity for the few years that I did receive from hashtag Team Pixel, what a blessing. Seriously, that helped this channel immensely.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
But yeah, man, I put my orders in. I'll be trading in the Google Pixel Fold here for the Google Pixel Fold, or the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold.
Or the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold.
Or the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold.
And I will be trading in where is my other one? I don't know where it's at. It's probably in the bedroom. My Google Pixel 8 Pro for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So 2 devices coming in, and I'm looking forward to those smartphones. I'll tell you right now, I love the design of the 9 Pro Fold. I love the flat top, bottom, side rails. I love the camera design. Some of you don't. I do. Okay, let me show you something here with my Google Pixel Fold as far as the top, bottom, and side rails. See that? They're rounded. That's not a deal breaker, but with the 9 Pro Fold, like I just mentioned, you're going to have those flat top, bottom, and side rails. I prefer that. With the 9 Pro Fold, they're going to be polished and not glossy. Already, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks outdated in comparison to the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. That's just my opinion. Okay, I'm not talking about the device itself and what it can do. It is a very well polished, good looking device. The cover display still needs to be wider. Basically, for me, I've already talked about this in the video. The Z Fold 6 was basically the Z Fold 5. Throughout my Z Fold 6 experience, it felt like I still had the Z Fold 5, is what I'm getting at. But looking at what we're getting from Google, those Pixel devices look phenomenal, bold and sexy. I'm telling you folks, man, I am just excited. I hate waiting, but I do have the patience to wait. I'm already receiving cases as well, so look forward to a lot of case reviews. I'm glad I'm getting one earlier than the other. I'd rather receive the Fold first than the Pro XL, but hey, it is what it is. But getting them both in at the same time would have really complicated things as far as the reviewing process. So obviously the reviewing process starts with the 9 Pro XL, and I'll be able to get as much information out to all of you as possible. Again, the case reviews as well, skin reviews, screen protector reviews, and then around the first week, I guess they're sending the 9 Pro Fold devices out on the 4th of September. So that means a couple days later, we those of us who have ordered that specific smartphone from Google will get it in a few days after that, 2-3 days, whatever. And then I can begin the reviewing process on that device. So yeah, anyway, let me know what you think about these lights, and I'll leave a link for that product down below in the description area. And let me know what you think about the Google Pixel 9 smartphone series. Did you order 1, 2, 3, 4? Let me know what you're bringing in. Let me know if you're skipping. And with that, God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm out.